G'day cocktail lovers. I felt inspired to do a second entry in the hashtag Christmas Martini 2022 challenge. This idea came to me, I read an article on a way to make martinis that I'd never tried before. This is a way to make a very dry martini, as in a desert bone dry martini. Rather than mixing the vermouth and gin and stirring on ice, what you do is stir the vermouth on ice and then pour that out, and there's just like a little residual vermouth that's on the ice and the glass, and then you add your gin and stir that and then pour that. So it's basically just a hint of a memory of vermouth in there. And I made one like this and it was really nice, and rather than using a standard vermouth, I actually used a red aperitif wine, and I got this faint sort of pink blush in the drink, which I thought was very nice. This was what I used, Cocchi Rosa. It's a very nice, lightly bitter cousin of vermouth. Cocchi Americano is often recommended as a substitute for vermouth in a martini. It's apparently the closest thing we have to Quina Lillet, which is referenced in the James Bond Vesper martini, and that's just not made anymore. But this is the red version, Cocchi Rosa, and I thought I'm going to make this one even more Christmassy. It's going to be even more red. Not just red, a bit sweeter as well. I'm going to put some cherry liqueur in there when I stir, and I'm also going to put in some cranberry bitters. And because this is for Christmas, I thought we wanted a bit sweeter. I tend to use very dry gins when I'm making a martini, but I thought I'll use a sweeter one. This is Threefold Distilling. That's the distiller that Steve the bartender is a part owner in. This is one of their limited flavours. This is a coconut gin. So it's quite sweet. It's like up there in the Old Tom style of being a sweeter gin. So this is what I'm going to use as I put this all together. For this martini, we start with the ice already in the stirring glass. Into there, we put ½ an ounce of the Cocchi Rosa, then ½ an ounce of the cherry liqueur, and 2 dashes of cranberry bitters. And then give that a good stir for at least 20 to 25 seconds. We're going to chill that down and get those flavours and colour in amongst the ice. Then we strain that out. Now, the guide I saw said throw it out. That seems wasteful. I'm going to put it in a glass on the side. It'll be like a sidecar to the main event. Now add 2½ ounces of gin to the mixing glass and stir that as well. Again, another 20-25 seconds, both the chilling and dilution, and we want to pick up some of that colour and flavour from the red elements as well. Then we strain that into a chilled martini glass. And here is our suitably festive Christmas martini. That's one of the rules for the hashtag Christmas Martini 2022 challenge. 1, you use that hashtag. 2, you serve in a martini glass. 3, you make it festive. So that's why I've got Santa and Rudolph on there. As for naming this creation, I was thinking of doing something about Rudolph's nose because of the red glow. I was thinking like Rudolph's glow or something. But then I'd initially come up with the idea Santa's blush, and I just like that. Why is Santa blushing? What has happened to make Santa blush? I don't know, but I'm calling this Santa's blush, and now I'm going to taste it, actually for the first time. Oh, that's really pleasant. I mean, I thought that would be good. That is really easy drinking. And it might look a bit low. This is just a huge martini glass. I promise, that's 2½ ounces of gin. I'm not being mean to myself. It's just a very big glass. If I fill this up a bit more, this holds a lot. So I'm going to stick with this for now, or I'll be well out of it when Santa's around doing stuff, and I want to catch him this year. And I hope to catch you on the YouTubes and socials as time goes by. If you've not already done, check out the hashtag Christmas Martini 2022. There's a lot of really interesting drinks if you're looking for Christmas drink ideas. This is my second one. I'm going to go off and enjoy it now. Wish you all the best of the season. Hope to see you again soon. But until I see you again, cheers!